Hi everyone, welcome to Learn Easily. Here is the second language English alternative worksheets activities for 8th standard. ಇದು 8ನೇ ತರಗತಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಒಂದು ಜನವರಿ ತಿಂಗಳ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Here the first activity is given from the lesson The Story of Dharmavada. ದ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಆಫ್ ಧರ್ಮವ್ಯಾದ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಲೆಸನ್. ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ರೀಡಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಪಾಠವಾಗಿದ್ದು, ಈ ಪಾಠದ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ಸನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ದ ಗಿವನ್ ವರ್ಡನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ಫರ್ಡ್, ಆ ಪಾಠದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿನಾನಿಮ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಡಿಕ್ಷನರಿ. ಆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಕ್ಷನರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಸಮಾನಾರ್ಥಕ ಪದವನ್ನು ಬರೀರಿ ಅಂತ. ಗಿವನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಪ್ರೊಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವರ್ಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ಫರ್ಡ್, ಆ ಪಾಠದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಲರ್ನ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ. ಪ್ರೊಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್, ಲರ್ನ್ಡ್, ದೆನ್ ಸಿನಾನಿಮ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟೆಡ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಆ ಒಂದು ಪದಕ್ಕೆ ಅರ್ಥಕ್ಕೆ ತಕ್ಕ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ನಾನು ಸಿನಾನಿಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಡಿಕ್ಷನರಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಬಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಚೆಕ್ ದ ಡಿಕ್ಷನರಿ. ನೀವು ಡಿಕ್ಷನರಿಯನ್ನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಒಂದು ಸಿನಾನಿಮ್ಸನ್ನು ಬರೀತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸರ್ಪಾಸ್, ಎಕ್ಸೀಡ್ ಆರ್ ಬೀಟ್. ಸ್ಟನ್ಡ್, ಅಮೇಜ್ಡ್, ಅಸ್ಟಾನಿಶ್ಡ್. ಡಿಪ್ರೆಸ್ಡ್, ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಯಾಡ್, ಮಿಸರಬಲ್. ಗ್ರೀಫ್, ಅನ್ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ, ಸಾರೋ. ಕಲ್ಟಿವೇಟ್, ಲರ್ನ್, ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಬೆಸ್ಟೌಡ್, ಗಿವ್, ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಟ್. ವರ್ಚ್ಯೂ, ಅಸೆಟ್, ಗುಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಹೆರಿಡಿಟರಿ, ಇನ್ಹೆರಿಟೆಡ್ or inherited. Glared, angry look. Stare. Confounded, confused, fuzzled. Enlightened soul, learnt, progressive. Forsaking, leaving, neglect. Perched, sat, balanced. Dwelt, thought, think. Wrath, anger, rage. Ascetic, divine, aster. Alms, food, gifts for beggar. Startled, surprised, worried. Mysterious, secrets, mystery. Chaste, religious, pure. Conceit, false pride, arrogance. Inherent, primary, innate. Shield, defense, guard. Last one, elated, ಎಕ್ಸೈಟೆಡ್, ಓವರ್ಜಾಯ್ಡ್. ಈ ಒಂದು ಪದಗಳಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿಕ್ಷನರಿಯನ್ನು ಬಳಸಿ ನಿಮ್ಮದೇ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಓನ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ಸನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ 2 ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ದಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಲೆಸನ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಆಫ್ ಧರ್ಮವ್ಯಾದ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ವೈ ವಾಸ್ ಕೌಶಿಕ ವೆರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಗ್ರಿ ವಿತ್ ದ ಬರ್ಡ್? ಕೌಶಿಕನು ಆ ಪಕ್ಷಿಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಏಕೆ ಕೋಪಗೊಂಡನು ಅಂತ. ಆನ್ಸರ್, Kaushika was sitting under a tree and studying the Vedas. The bird's loud twittering disturbed him, so he was very angry with the bird. Second question, why did the housewife delay in giving alms to Kaushika? ಕೌಶಿಕನಿಗೆ ಭಿಕ್ಷೆ ನೀಡಲು ಆ ಮನೆಯ ಒಂದು ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಏಕೆ ತಡ ಮಾಡಿದಳು ಅಂತ. The housewife was attending to the needs of her husband who had come just then. She considered it her primary duty, so she delayed in giving alms to Kaushika. Next, third question, who did she advise Kaushika to meet? ಆಕೆ ಕೌಶಿಕನನ್ನು ಯಾರನ್ನು ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಲು ತಿಳಿಸ್ತಾಳೆ? She advised Kaushika to meet Dharmavada, who lived in the city of Mithila. Next, fourth question, why did Kaushika feel stunned at the words of Dharmavada? ಧರ್ಮವ್ಯಾದನ ಒಂದು ಮಾತುಗಳಿಗೆ ಕೌಶಿಕನು ಏಕೆ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯಗೊಂಡನು? When Kaushika came to Dharmavada shop, he invited him heartily and asked him it. The woman had sent him. By hearing these words, Kaushika felt stunned. Next, what did Kaushika do after his visit to Dharmavada? ಧರ್ಮವ್ಯಾದನ ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ ಕೌಶಿಕ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ. Kaushika returned home and thereafter he spent his days in the service of his parents and in teaching others the Vedic lore he had mastered. Then sixth question, what did sage Markandeya tell ಯುಧಿಷ್ಠಿರ ಇನ್ ದ ಎಂಡ್, ಕೊನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕಂಡೇಯ ಯುಧಿಷ್ಠಿರನಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? ಸೇಜ್ ಮಾರ್ಕಂಡೇಯ ಸೆಡ್ ದಟ್ there were enlightened souls in all divisions of people who could guide even scholars and masters of Vedic teachings. These are the answers for all these 6 questions. And here the next activity is given from the lesson The Earthquake. It is also supplementary reading lesson. You have to read that lesson well and understand. Then here the activity, the meanings of words. You have to refer the dictionary, write the synonyms, ಸಮಾನಾರ್ಥಕ ಪದಗಳು ಮತ್ತು the definition found in the dictionary. ಈ ಒಂದು ಪದಗಳಿಗೆ ಡಿಕ್ಷನರಿ ನೋಡಿ ಅರ್ಥಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಅದರ ಒಂದು ಸಮಾನಾರ್ಥಕ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. ಶ್ರಬ್, ಶ್ರಬ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ bush, plant. Then habitat, home, the place where the living beings live. Terrified, frightened, shivering, trembling, fleeing, run away, gazelle, deer. Then stampede, rush, wild flight, run with fear, frightened, afraid, huddled, crowded. Species, group of animals, fled, ran away, stretched out, extended. Crash, collide, crack up, break down, not daring, no courage. See, these are the meanings I gave. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅರ್ಥಗಳು ನಾನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥವು. ಆದರೆ ನೀವು ಇದೇ ಪದಗಳಿಗೆ ಡಿಕ್ಷನರಿಯನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಸಮಾನಾರ್ಥಕ ಪದಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಅರ್ಥಗಳನ್ನು ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಟು ಗಿವನ್ ದ ಅರ್ಥಕ್ವೇಕ್. ಹಿಯರ್ in your textbook, the supplementary reading section, write the summary of the story in your own words. ಅರ್ಥಕ್ವೇಕ್ ಪಾಠವನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಓನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಥಕ್ವೇಕ್ ಪಾಠಕ್ಕೆ ಸಮರಿಯನ್ನು ಬರೀತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಐ ಗಿವನ್ ಎ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಸಮರಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಲೆಸನ್. ದ ಹೇರ್ ಲಿವ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಎ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಪಾಮ್ shrub at the foot of a bell tree. Once it misunderstood the crash of the falling ripe fruit on the leaves of the palm tree as the earth is falling to pieces. So it fled madly without looking behind. On the way, another hare followed it, and another hare, until 100,000s of hare were all fleeing after it. Then a deer, then a bear, an antelope, a buffalo, a gazelle, a rhinoceros, a tiger, and an elephant all joined in the stampede, followed by the whole race of each species. In this way, gradually the line of animals stretched out over a distance of about 3 miles. The lion saw the wild flight of animals. It came to know that the earth was falling to pieces. He thought probably the animals misunderstood some sound they heard. The first hare narrated what happened. So the lion guessed the probability, and it took the hare to the spot, which is the dwelling place of the hare. There the lion inspected and found out the ripe fruit which fell on the leaves, and concluded the real fact, and there was no sign of any earthquake nearby. Like this, the lion verified the hare's statement and saved the all animals. Okay, see, this is the short summary of earthquake. Next activity, the questions are question and answers for the lesson The Earthquake. Here the first question, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, ವಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ವೈಲ್ಡ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಹೇರ್? ಆ ಮೊಲದ ಒಂದು ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನೇಷನ್, ಊಹೆ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದಾಗ, ದ ವೈಲ್ಡ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಹೇರ್ ವಾಸ್, ಇಫ್ ದ ಅರ್ತ್ ವಾಸ್ ಫಾಲ್ ಟು ಪೀಸಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ವುಡ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್? ಎ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಂಜ್ ಫಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ ಹಿಮ್. ಭೂಮಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬಿದ್ದು ಪೀಸುಗಳಾದರೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಅದರ ಒಂದು ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನೇಷನ್. ವಿಚ್ ಈವೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ಡ್ ದ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಶ್? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಘಟನೆ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಶಬ್ದವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು? ಅಟ್ ದಟ್ ವೆರಿ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಎ ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ ರೈಪ್ ಬೆಲ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಫೆಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಟಾಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪಾಮ್ shrub and caused a crash. Name few animals that joined the race. 100,000s of hares, deer, boar, antelope, buffaloes, gazelle, rhinoceros, tiger, and a huge elephant joined the race. Fourth question. Which of the animal do you think is the sensible one? Give reason. The lion, king of the animals, was the sensible one among the animals because after hearing the cause of the wild flight of animals, it thought that they must have misunderstood some sound. Next, fifth question. What did the lion guess about the cause of crash? ಆ ಸಿಂಹ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಶ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಕಾರಣ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಆ ಸೌಂಡ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಕಾರಣ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ದ ಲಯನ್, ಲಿಸನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ ಹೇರ್, ಗೆಸ್ಡ್ ದಟ್ ಎ ರೈಪ್ ಬೆಲ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ might have fallen from above on the top of palm shrub and had caused the crash. Sixth one. What was the command given by the lion to the animals at the end? ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಆ ಲಯನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಏನನ್ನು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? The command given by the lion to the animals at the end was, "Dear animals, you need not to have any fear. There was neither an earthquake nor any other calamity. Go back to your places and live as you did before." These are the questions from the lesson The Earthquake. Next, activities given from the lesson Lal Bahadur Shastri from your supplementary reading section. The first question, list out the important events of Lal Bahadur Shastri life anta kottide. Read the lesson and list out yourself his childhood event, then his daughter event, and he take a decision against war like that. List the events yourself. Next question, narrate one incident from Shastri's life which highlights his honesty. ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗೆ, Lal Bahadur was imprisoned for participating in the freedom struggle. When he was in prison, his daughter fell ill with smallpox. Lal Bahadur requested the jail authorities to permit him to go to see his ailing daughter. The then government granted his parole for 15 days on condition that he would not take part in any agitation. But he refused it. He asked them to release him on parole without any condition. The government agreed it. Unfortunately, his daughter died on the day of his visit. He performed all the obsequies and decided to return prison. His family member requested him to stay at home for the rest of the parole period. He said the parole was given for the sake of his daughter. Since she was dead, he felt it was not right to stay back. He went back to prison. ಈ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆದರೂ ಬರೀಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಮುಂದಿನ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್, ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅವರು ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋಸ್, ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಪಾರಿ ಬಳಿ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋಸನ್ನು ಪಡೀತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಬರೀಬೋದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ರೈಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕೀ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೆಲಿವರಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೆಲವು ಕೀ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಲಾಲ್ ಬಹದ್ದೂರ್ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಪಾಠದಿಂದ ನೀವು ಕೆಲವು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಬರೆದು ಸ್ಪೀಚನ್ನು ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಲೆಸನ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವುಮೆನ್ ಇನ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವುಮೆನ್ ಇನ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ರೀಡಿಂಗಿಂದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ವೆನ್ ಡಿಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟಿನಾ ಗೋ ರೌಂಡ್ ದ ಅರ್ತ್? What was great about this event? Valentina went round the earth on 6th June 1963. She was the first woman traveling successfully in the spaceship Vostok 6. How did Valentina help her mother? What else was she doing at the same time? Valentina ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು, ಹಾಗೆ ಆಕೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು. Valentina worked at a tire factory and at a textile mill to help her mother to maintain the family. At the same time, she attended classes at Yarshol. She graduated in a trade school in 1960. She had been trained well in parachute jumping at Yarshol Hero Club. Next, how did people all over the world share her joys at the historic moment? When Miss Valentina was going around the globe, she talked from outer space to millions of her fellow men on the earth about her thrilling experience. Crowds of people danced for joy when they heard. They shared her joy at the historic moment. What did she say on landing after the space flight? Space flight ಇಂದ ಬಂದ ನಂತರ ವ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟಿನಾ ಏನನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? On landing after the space flight, she smiled brightly and said that all people know it is very nice to be guest, but it is always better at home. When she landed, she also felt the same, being at home again. Apart from flying, what were Valentina's hobbies? Apart from flying, she was interested in music and literature. She loved reading. She had all the safe and nice qualities of women. More than anything else, she loved a happy and quite homely life. And the next activity. Imagine you are asked to interview Valentina Tereshkova. Prepare a list of questions you would like to ask her. Here are the questions. I made a few questions here. How do you feel about your success? Did you have any dreams? When? How did you feel your dream? How your family encouraged you? Who were the important persons take part to fulfill your ambition? How did you overcome the difficulties of your journey? How was your flight experience? What you felt on the space when you saw the earth from the space? Like this. There are many questions you can frame your own questions for this activity. Next, you must have read about Kalpana Chawla. Write a paragraph, the similarity and contrast between the flights of Tereshkova and Kalpana Chawla. Here is Valentina Tereshkova and Kalpana Chawla. Both of them went into space on fact-finding missions. Valentina went alone in a spacecraft called Vostok 6. She went round and round the earth for 3 days. She returned to the earth safely. Kalpana was the first Indian-born woman to rocket into space on NASA fact-finding mission on November 16, 1997. Along with her, there were 6 other astronauts. They made 252 orbits of the Earth and remained in space for about 400 hours. They conducted more than 80 experiments in space. During their return journey, the spaceship developed some technical snag and broke apart barely 11 minutes before it was scheduled to land, killing all the crew members. This is the contrast between the Kalpana Chawla and Valentina Tereshkova. Kalpana Chawla ಮತ್ತು ವ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟಿನಾ ಟೆರೆಸ್ಕೋವಾ ಇಬ್ಬರೂ ಸಹ ಬಾಹ್ಯಾಕಾಶಗಳು. ಅವರು ಬಾಹ್ಯಾಕಾಶಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಹಿಂತಿರುಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ವ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟಿನಾ ಟೆರೆಸ್ಕೋವಾ ಸೇಫಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಕಲ್ಪನಾ ಚಾವ್ಲಾ ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಕ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಾವನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಪಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಡು ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್ ದ ಯಂಗ್ಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಲೈಫ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟಿನಾ ಟೆರೆಸ್ಕೋವಾ? ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೈಟ್. ವ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟಿನಾ ಟೆರೆಸ್ಕೋವಾ ಅವರ ಲೈಫಿಂದ ನಾವು ಏನನ್ನು ಕಲಿಬಹುದು ಅಂದಾಗ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. Though Valentina Tereshkova was born into a poor family, she rose to fame through hard work. She was not deterred by poverty. At the young age, she worked in a tire factory and textile mill to help her mother. At the same time, she attended a school in Yaroslav. She trained herself in parachute jumping and excelled in that. Her boldness and daring nature helped her to get into space training school. She showed keen interest and made efforts to learn everything. She was an earnest and hard-working woman. She was ready to undergo any kind of hardships to fulfill her dream. Apart from being strong and fit, she was soft and possessed all the nice qualities. She loved reading and listening music. The present-day youngsters should also learn from her example. They should become brave, daring and hardworking. They should have determination, perseverance and make sincere efforts to fulfill their dreams. Okay, these are the activities for 8th standard English January. Here all these key solutions for you to complete these activities. Thank you for watching this video, and there are many videos available in Learn Easily channel to learn grammar and your text lessons and all. Watch them and learn easily.